Welcome my dear students to P.N.AMERSEY e-learning classes. So dear children, we shall start with a new chapter number 14, Aruni of Moral Science. Parents want their children to excel in life, and the teacher, that is known to be a guru, prepares his disciple, that is known to be Shishya, to follow in his footsteps and excel in everything. So here today we are going to discuss about a story of Aruni. He was a disciple of Guru Dhaumya, how he was a dedicated student and what he did for his master with his devotion. So here is a story of Aruni of Panchala, who was a dedicated student of the ancient sage Dhaumya. Those were the days when a student had to stay with the teacher and help him in his daily course in order to acquire the knowledge he wanted to seek. So the teacher or the guru's house was called Gurukul, and the Shishya contributed in equal measure to its upkeep. He did all the daily course of the household as a member of the teacher's family. Aruni also lived at his teacher's hermitage. One day, as the hermitage had no firewood left to keep the place warm, Aruni went to the forest to bring the firewood. On his way back to the hermitage, he noticed a breach in the embankment in the field which belonged to his guru. So he was feared to the seepage of water could destroy the crop. He was in two minds, either to first mend the breach and then deliver the firewood, or to first deliver the firewood at the hermitage and then come back to mend it. Opting to deliver the firewood at the hermitage first, as there was no firewood to keep the place warm, he rushed to the hermitage. After delivering the firewood, he left for the field to take care of the breach. Sage Dhaumya was proud of his disciple. It is hard to get such a responsible disciple. Aruni tried to plug the breach by putting some logs and mud in the hole, but the leakage of water did not let them stick, and heavy pressure of water washed them away. He was helpless as nothing seemed to work. Finally, he made a plan to lying on the bridge to stop the water. As it was getting dark, Sage Dhaumya became worried. He set out with other disciples looking for the Aruni. As he called out for Aruni, he heard a faint voice, "Here I am, Guruji." Sage Dhaumya and his disciples lost no time and rushed to the spot from where the voice was heard. They noticed Aruni lying on the bridge in order to hold the water in the field. The disciples quickly pulled Aruni out of the freezing water. Aruni kept repeating, "The water is flowing out, the crops will die." "Don't worry, Aruni, we will take care of the bridge," said the disciples in the unison. Unison means in one voice. "Never mind, my son, you are more precious than the crop," said the Guru. While the other disciples mended the bridge, Sage Dhaumya covered Aruni in a blanket and brought him back to Gurukul. Sage Dhaumya tended to Aruni as he would have attended to his own son and blessed Aruni with pride. "You shall forever be renowned for your unmatched devotion and obedience to your Guru." So children, in this chapter we can see that how Aruni of Panchala was a dedicated student for his Guru. As he saw a bridge in the field, what he did, he lied down in the field without thinking about his health, so that the water is flowing will stop and the crops will not die. So in this chapter the key value is devotion. So what is devotion? Devotion is defined as loyalty, love, or practicing and believing in a specific religion, and it is connected with the act of religion or worship of a master or a guru. It reminds us of what to be focused on the rest of our life, and it reminds us of our priorities. So children, this is chapter number 14, Aruni. Hope you like this video. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.